I'm Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. We have been already discussed several things regarding the counseling approaches, other things. Now, today we are discussed about the Rogers-Sull theory. Basically, this theory comes down in the person-centered approach. We have already discussed this thing in the earlier approach. So, person-centered approach is basically the third type, because we have to do the humanistic approach, behavioral approach, and the person-centered approach. So, because this theory is given by the Carl Rogers. Carl Rogers is a person who has given this type of fantastic theories to be here. And you know that whatever the counseling is to be there, it is basically face to face, or we can just person to person is to be there. So, in the basic assumptions, in the basic Rogers theory is to be there, everything is depend on the holism. Aham Brahmasmi. You have listened down the word is to be there. That means level of analysis in the whole individualism. अगर शास्त्रों की बात करें, पुराणों की बात करें, तो वहां कहा जाता है कि हमारे शरीर में ही सभी देवी देवताओं का वास होता है. I am not telling anything regarding the caste, creed and religion. Nothing is to be there, any individual part is to be there, nothing is to be there, anything related with the religion is to be there. Main thing is to be there when we are discussing any part of the human being is to be there. तो एक जनरल वे में अगर हम लोग बात करें तो हमारा हार्ट है. हार्ट में क्या फैसता है, क्या चलता है? ब्लड हमारे को पावर देता है, ऑक्सीजन देता है, एक टेक्निकल यूज. और जनरली अगर एक आदमी के लिए कुछ देना माने गॉडेस लक्ष्मी रूप. आप लोग इसको गलत रूप में ना लीजिएगा. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग वट एवर द थिंग इज टू बी, our whole body is totally on the holism system is to be there. Second, drive toward the self-actualizations. These are general the basic approaches, basic aspect of this theory. Self. First we have to understand who we are, then we can arrange their person-centered approach of the counseling is to be there. First. Then active counting of the experiences and our willpower is to be there. So whatever the concept, whatever the values, whatever the tradition is to be there, we are follow accordingly. So in this approach, whatever this is the Carl-centered approach is to be there, and our objective and our thing. Now, whenever we are telling anything regarding Carl Rogers is basically born in 1902 and he died in 1987. Generally. And the Carl Rogers is basically an American pioneer with a person-centered approach in early 50s is to be there. He has given a different behavioral approach of the psychosomatic and behavioral models of that. And person-centered approach comes down under the umbrella of the humanist theory we have already told you. Humanistic. Which I already discussed earlier. Its theory depends on the needs, well-being and interest. Need depends and well-being. And the human capabilities in areas such as creativity, personal growth and choices. So we can say down this theory is little bit, or we can say something is to be related to the Maslow's Band and Peirce system there. Now, have you the idea of, or one thing is to be that this theory can be counseling in the approach toward the side of like, you have seen the parents and child, there is a relationship, nurse and the patient, teacher and the student, and the counselor and the client is to be there. So this theory is best suitable in this category where our faith, our holistic approach is to be applied. Now the thing is, this theory, because person-centered approach is to be there, and whatever the other theory is to be there, we are not related with it. Now, the main areas of this theory has three parts. What are the three parts? First, self-actualizations. Self-actualizing. Second, therapeutic relationship, because ultimate the theory used with the core conditions. So these are the three things is to be come down. 1 to 3. Carl Rogers theory come down. There are 3 areas where this theory is to be used. In this personal-centered approach, theory, person-centered approach theory is to be there. In this, Rogers' assumptions were that people were essentially trustworthy and had positive inner qualities and had the potential for understanding themselves and resolving their own problems. So, in this consequences, he believed that the helpers did not need to directly intervene or provide solutions, as the other person was capable of doing this themselves. Now, in this self-actualizing tendency, people have drives that lead them to engage in activities resulting in personal and satisfaction level and a contribution to the society was there. Because this tendency is present in all organisms and can be defined as the motivation present in every life form to develop its potential to the fullest extent. The main thing is to it. आपने टमाटर देखा होगा, सही है ना? जैसे जैसे टमाटर पकता है, रेडिश की तरफ आता है, उसके सीड्स के कलर सिचुएशन चेंज होते हैं. सेम थिंग. जैसे जैसे ये टेंडेंसी हमारी लागू होती है, जैसे जैसे हम इसको अप्रोच करते बढ़ते हैं, our things will be changed. So our self-actualizing tendency can be turned unwrapped, but this is very much to do with our self-concept. One thing you should be remember always, this theory is totally dependent on the self-values. Our image, our perception of ourselves is based on the life experiences, and it is the way we see ourselves referred in the attitude expressed by the family and friends. That means if we experience positive attitude, we are more positive about who we are. Or if our experience is negative, then what happened? Our attitude towards us from birth, our self-concept is negative, thereby stunting or wrapping the self-actualization tendencies to be cut down. Whatever the reflection is to be coming, as per the Rogers. Reflection, this theory showed down. Just think, how do you describe yourself? Someone may be positive, someone may be negative. So, or where has the belief come from? This theory showed down. You have to think accordingly. Then, do you ever tell anything yourself? No. Now, this is the first thing is to be there. Self-actualization concept was there. Now we have to come down the therapeutic relationship concept was there. Because this theory we already told us the 3 approaches to be there, in which we have discussed one by one is to be there. Now therapeutic. Carl Rogers believes that therapeutic relationship is fundamental to a client being able to move or grow was there. And individuals have resources within themselves for self-understanding and changing self-concept, attitude, etc. He believes that if the right condition can be come down, definitely whatever the person is to be there, he will give very good results. Then, Rogers also, each of us, because Rogers told that each of us believes that the therapeutic or helping relationship in day-to-day business is to be there. And then, we can easily understand the self-actualization was there. That means, this theory contributes more than one factor to a positive outcome for the person being helped, and that no other interventions was required, as this was all that was necessary and sufficient for therapeutic change to occur. Because हम काउंसलिंग के पास कब जाते हैं? जब हमको कुछ परेशानी होती है, या हम अपने को डिप्रेस फील करते हैं, हम आगे काम नहीं कर पाते हैं, समथिंग in the organization, in the human resource system, in the human management system is to be there, whatever the organization is to be there, they need a counselor on a counselor at the time when the productivity is not be come down as per the specifications and the benchmarks there. So for creating of that, we need catch-up. So in this theory show this type of things. Now, Carl Rogers suggested that there should be some core condition was there. That means congruence. We know the things we discussed. Second thing is unconditional positive regard. Unconditional positive regards. And third is empathy. Now, what is congruence? Congruence is generally genuineness, realness, or openness. How open we are in front of a counselor is to be there. Or we can just give a faith. Now, you are the right person to whom I can say anything is to be there, definitely. That means, whenever the condition can be come down, whenever the condition can be accepted is to be there. So, the counselor himself or herself in the relationship, putting up no professional front or fears. First, we have developed a relationship. Then, the greater is the likelihood that the client can change and grow. The counselor, again, recognizes their feelings within the therapeutic relationships and share these with the clients. First, हम एक relationship develop करेंगे. Then only we have to come down the second phase, that is the therapeutic segment में जाएंगे. First, we can understand clearly why this is to be come down. There should be a transparency in between the counselor and the client. Can see right through what the counselor is in the relationship is to be here. Then unconditional positive regards, acceptance, warmth, non-judgmental is the prime feature of this condition. We should not just down. No. This is the worker is not wrong. So this person is wrong. This is general tendency. No. Before discussing, before meeting, we should not conclude anything is to be there. Otherwise, we cannot just down the things to be. So, regarding counselor experience, a positive accepting attitude towards whatever the client is and is feeling at the moment is to be there. And he should accept wholly and is not affected any perceivedness ideas, presumed plans or decision, they may be tempered to make for the client. And you are a counselor, so the Rogers told you should not be a judgment, like you should not position it as a judge, but you should be a counselor of him. You should be trainer like position is to be there. So you should be non-judgmental attitude should be there. Now the third thing is empathy. The counselor without prejudgment or assumptions. This is the prime thing. जो दर्द उसको है वही दर्द हमें महसूस करना चाहिए. सही है? So the main thing allows themselves to be open to perceive the world as a client perceives it. Whatever I already. Then conveying this understanding back to the client through sensitive, active listening and accurate reflection of the feeling was there. Otherwise, what happens to be there if the empathy will not develop in between the counselor and the counselee? You cannot get down to why this condition should come down, how the productivity increase like. So by these three means, we can say that with the help of the counselor in the Rogers theory, Rogers self theory, we have the therapeutic relationship can be using in the core conditions to be there. Then Rogers believed that as well as we are trustworthy and have positive inner qualities. Positive inner qualities is therefore have the potential and understanding ourselves and thereby are able to resolve our own problems. That means एक छोटा सा बिकॉज आई सीज इन द डिस्कवरीज वगैरह मैं देखता हूँ कभी कभी हम लोग देखते हैं जानवरों को भी तो चोट लगती होगी जंगल में, तो अपना इलाज कैसे करते हैं? कभी सोचा है आपने या कभी सोचा नहीं? जस्ट फील इट. मेन बात है वट एवर इफ they are injured or whatever, or the condition can be come down. In the nature has provided everything is to be. Water, soil, air, water. So they use that type of therapies to be there, or then we have to the same thing in the Rogers theory. Rogers theory, everything is in yours. You are the self things to be there. And if you are like that, you have the positive values of the human nature is to be. And by the means of the research, we have to take up this thing can come down. So in this jest, if you have to come down, what the Rogers told, because this is the self theory of the Rogers clearly mentioned things has to be there, and as per their views, the basic human tendency is of two types: formative and actualizing. Formative and actualizing. Formative tendency. This is human tendency. Human tendency. These are two basic tendencies to be there. Because theory is to be self is clear, theory concept is to be clear, self-actualization mode is to be clear, self-values is to be clear. Now we have to come down, something extra is to be there. So basic human tendency is to be formative tendency. What is that? Tendency for things to move from disorganization to organization. This is the general tendency of the human being. Or one is Rogers, second is Freud. If one scientist was there, he told that disorganization to organization theory was given by Rogers, and organization to disorganization theory was given by the Freud. So to maintain the things to be like whenever any motivation theories to be there, Maslow's theory was different, Heisenberg X and Y theory was different. X theory told a human being not ready to do work, and the Y theory told no, they can do the work if other will give the work. Same thing. So in this formative tendency towards growth and integration of the self is to be carried is to be. And what about the actualizing theory? Its tendency towards self-actualizations. This is basically self-actualization. We have to listen the word in Maslow theory. Why we do the work? For self-actualization ultimately. Higher order need is to be there. And for growth to occur, individual must have experience with significant genuineness, real, unconditional, and empathy. We have already discussed. That's why I just give down the gist of that. And these are not the whatever empathy, conditional. It is not the. It is the basically actualization. And in the actualization theory, if genuineness, unconditional acceptance, empathy not present, path towards actualization can be distorted. Literally. And due to that, requirements above similar to that successful treatment is to be there. So if I am a counselor, so what the thing can be carried out? We should be genuine. We should accept unconditional situations. We should ready to acceptance, and we should ready the empathy to be there. Now, in the Rogers self theory, we have discussed around 60% or 70% part to be there. Now, in a very brief manner, Rogers' view of self. Because what the theory told, I already told you. Now, what we believe? Self. Self has basically three parts. One is organization self. Second is self. मैं खुद कैसा हूं? And third, ideal self. Organization self is basically what one is and One means entire beings, whatever in the institution is to be there. And whatever the self is basically the subjective self. ऐसा होना चाहिए, like standard form is to be there. And may differ. That means ideal self is a different thing and the now. Ordination self versus self. We can just दोनों में क्या difference होता है? A true experience may conflict with self-confidence. Inconfidence can be come down, and this thing can be distorted. Whatever I am expected, if that is not you, this is the main self there. Like an example, if you will, I am faithful. I am faithful. What is this? Whether it's a ordination self or ideal self. Tell me. This is self. Okay. Or if I am attracted towards the ordination side, then this is true self or the ordination self is to be. From where the distortion will come down. If other feel that he is only thinking this self, not ordination self, the value of distortion will be come down. The Rogers' ideal self can be carried out by would like to be. The main thing. And incongruence should be there, incongruence should be there, and high incongruence means unhealthy personality will be take care of that. Now, Rogers' theory also show down certain values of the personalities. Here, I am just little bit, because self theory we have already discussed the things. Now we have to just know certain values. If we have to follow Rogers' self theory, how this personality can be established. So, as per the Rogers' theory is to be there are three types of personality can be come down. Subconscious, first is subconscious, second is accurately symbolized, and the third is distorted. And what are the subconscious? They know only the awareness is to be there, and they can be exclusion for the awareness, maybe possible is to be there, or they are the sub-conception part of that is to be there. This is subconscious level. कभी कभी आप रात को सो के एकदम से उठते हैं किसी समय और आकर के पानी वगैरह पी के वापस लेट जाते हैं, सुबह उठते हैं तो आपको ये चीज याद नहीं रहती. What does it mean is to be there? The main thing is to be there. Your brain in that stage where you are subconscious, you have not control, but you are feeling that you are whatever the desire is to be there. In that you have to fulfill that desire, but it is not the condition is to be there. So in this, and whenever we have to put accurately symbolizing awareness was there, definitely the experience constants and they are allowed freely into the awareness was there. Definitely we can say down this is the real self is to be there. And when the condition of distortion will become down, because for treating of distortion we are using the self concept was there. So in the distortion, material inconsistent with self concept modified before being allowed into consciousness levels to be there. And that means the distortion leads to increased incongruences to be. And that means in the self concept, I just think that I am not deserved and it's not my things to be there. It's okay. This is the self concept. And when the condition will be distorted, when we think they don't mean it, I deserve but they don't mean it, this condition will be distortion to be there. And as per the Rogers self theory and Rogers self actualization theory is to be there, Rogers self unitary ground is to be there, there should be a 4 types of needs to be there. One is maintenance need, second is enhancement needs, third is positive regard, and the fourth is self regard is to be there. Maintenance need is food, shelter, safety and consistency is to be there, like Maslow's theory, but here we have to learn certain things like consistency is to be added in that. And enhancement needs desire for the growth, motivation, and this to be there. And the theory of self-actualization is already established by the Rogers to be there. And the third thing is Unconditional positive regard is to be there. We have already told it that natural instincts can be carried out by the means of the self and self-actualization is to be there. So, whenever we are discussing about any theory, Rogers theory, Rogers client-centered theory, someone told Rogers client-centered theory, someone told that Rogers Unitarian theory is to be there, it totally aspects, totally stabilized values can be come down by the base of the congruent, unconditional accepting and empathic is to be there. So, in this concluding line is to be there, we can say that Carl Rogers has given that type of beautiful aspect is to be there, and he told that whatever the person is to be there in this total human being, in the total world is to be in organization, we have to follow the self theory of actualization is to be there. In the self theory, he already cleared down that we have the person centered approach, and whatever the active, constant or the experience based is to be take care while giving the counseling is to be there. So we have to put down whatever the human values, holism concept is to be there, and positive thoughts can be carried out. So now this is the concluding thing was there in the theories of the social Rogers theory was there.